Concentrate, no cell phone, no text. Next, look while you're turning. More of you are looking into your turn. A lot of beginning drivers a lot of you are not looking where you're going. If you're making a right turn, you look to the right. If you're making a left turn, you look to the left. Lane changing, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Backing up, you look out of your back window. You need to have a lot of following distance. A lot of beginning drivers stop too late. You want to stop earlier, let the car roll up. You want to see the rear of the tires on the ground. That might be on your test. Beginning drivers, you need to have a lot of room when pulling out onto traffic, because beginning drivers judge distance very poorly. You don't want to scare the parents. And if you scare your mom and dad, they're not going to want to drive with you. Then you're not going to have your hours. New drivers don't judge speed and distance very well. You'll pull out in front of a car. In the driver's education car, we have a brake. A lot of beginning drivers need a lot of verbal instructions. Don't assume they know what they're doing. We'll answer these questions.